Look at all the shit that I fucking did. Came up with the name that we would've named our kid. Now I'm standing here at my fucking weakest, trying to figure out if our future is the bleakest. Damn, now I'm standing here pretending like I don't give a damn. I'm not the one pulling tears in my hand. Look at all the shit I was there for. It's funny how fast it all went out the door. 3 years and it hurts to keep on walking. Shit, it feels different now, we ain't even talking. She knew that I really fucking love her. She knew that I was always there for her. She knew I was a king of a castle, but that shit didn't last, so she knew what it meant when she said it. She knew. In the end, she'll regret it, asking myself, did I say it enough, or was it something I did? Looked up the past just to tell myself, damn, she knew.